Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to ship clothes on eBay.
YouTube.com/rejects.
Okay, so there are two different types of bags I use. There are also the clear poly bags I currently don't have, but if you would like to be extra safe with your clothing, you could wrap the clothes in a clear poly bag and then put the poly bag in one of these white ones. You could also buy different colored ones. You could buy black, pink, and I think purple ones. I'll leave links to different bags that you could buy in the description below, but today we sold this frilly looking thing that my wife had, and I'm just gonna take it, put it in the small poly bag here, and as you can see, I'm not having any issues. And then once the clothes is actually in there, you can just take off, come closer, come close, look. Okay, now you could take off this non-sticky part here and you reveal the sticky residue, and then close it tightly, and just like that, we have your clothes packed and ready to go to print off your shipping label. Now, if you sell something a little bit bigger, like this sweatshirt that's conveniently here, you're gonna need a bigger poly bag. So I'll leave a link to the bigger bags in the description as well. So you could just slide this bad boy in there, and same process as before, where you just take off the non-sticky part, close it, and print off the shipping label. So, all right, once you have your clothing item packaged, you need to weigh the item. So I have this food scale here. I'll leave a link to it in the description as well. So I'm just gonna put it on here, and 2.86 ounces. All right, so after you've weighed the item, you're gonna go onto eBay, log onto your eBay account, and go under the notifications bell over here, and you can see the item that we sold. So I'm gonna click on that. All right, and it's gonna send you to this screen here. And as you can see, you can enter in your weight and your dimensions. Any item under a pound, you don't really have to worry about the dimensions, so I just usually ignore this section unless, again, if it's over a pound. But since this item only weighed 2.86 ounces, I believe, I'm just gonna put the weight under 4 ounces, because every 4 ounces is when the price changes. So at 4 ounces, it's gonna weigh up to a certain price. At 8 ounces, it's gonna weigh up to a certain price. At 12 ounces and at 16 ounces. So since it weighed 2.86, I'm going to put it at 4 ounces, because it's going to be the same price whether I put it at 3 ounces or 2.86, which I wouldn't recommend, because you always want to be over rather than under. So as you can see, we saved 26% by printing off our shipping label on eBay itself. Rather than paying the $3.78, we're going to be paying $2.76 to ship out this item. So now that we've entered in the weight and we have our price here, we're going to click on purchase and print label. I'm going to choose your preferred method and then scroll all the way down, and then you'll see pay now. Click on that. And then what you're going to have to do is click on this option here where it says open label. And here we have our shipping label. So all you have to do is print it out. You could just use a normal printer. I could also leave the printer that I use in the description below. I have a thermal printer, so I don't have to buy ink for everything that I ship. I do have to buy the stickers though. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys would like to support this channel for free, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links down below, and you could purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.